Here is the procedure to print a WMS GeoTIFF with QGIS. Click the Add WMS WMTS Layer button or select from the Layer menu, Add Layer, Add WMS WMTS Layer. Click New. Name your WMS connection. Then, in the URL box, paste the link you copied from the web portal. Click OK. Click Connect. Select the image, click Add, and close. From the Project menu, click New Print Composer. Name it, and click OK. In the Composer menu, select Page Setup and choose your paper size and orientation. In the Composition tab, choose the same paper size and orientation. Click the Add New Map button or click on Add Map under the Layout menu. Draw a square or rectangle in the page and your GeoTIFF will be displayed in it. On the Item Properties tab, adjust the scale of the map. Then, using the Move Item Content tool, recenter the image as you wish. To add the legend, click on Add Image button or click on Add Image under the Layout menu. Then, draw a rectangle that will delimit the extent of the image. In the Image Properties tab, click on the Image Source button. Navigate to the directory where you saved the image and select it. Click Open. To complete your map layout, you may add, for example, a title, or a scale. Under the Composer menu, select Print. Select the printer and then print.